Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram scrolling back up to previous messages on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 2. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to Apps, go to Manage Apps, search Instagram application, click on Instagram application, again click on Storage, tap on Clear Data, again click on Clear Cache Data. Go back, again tap on Apps Permission. You can allow all Instagram apps permission. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram scrolling back up to previous messages on Instagram. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.